Imagine running your company from a totally new perspective. A big picture view that replaces departmental silos with a fully connected centralized system, where processes are automated and streamlined, and data is entered just once, then shared in real time throughout your operations. Designed for key industries such as food and beverage manufacturing, distributing, and processing, apparel brands, discrete manufacturing, and others, now you can unite your teams with a single version of the truth. Empower your employees to land vital tasks smoothly, efficiently, and with greater speed and accuracy. Uplift new levels of customer satisfaction. Provide your leadership up-to-the-minute business intelligence for actionable insights, along with the tools for modeling and evaluating new practices and processes to gain a competitive advantage. With a seamlessly connected key software solution set, all from a single provider, your business soars, raising departmental performance across the board. Only Aptean provides complete industry-specific solution suites, ready immediately to empower your business like never before. Driving innovation, propelling growth, and skyrocketing your bottom line. That's the potential of a new perspective. See what you can accomplish with the always real-time big picture view of your business. Powered by Aptean.